A very good morning, my dear parents. As we welcome the festive season of Diwali, Christmas, and Sankranti during COVID-19 pandemic, it is ever more important to lay a special emphasis on health. Follow all precautions, wearing masks and washing hands regularly. Do not ignore any symptoms of seasonal flu. Avoid assumptions. Greetings, namaste, and not handshakes. Refrain from eating from outside and avoid all gatherings and enjoy being together as a family. Stay healthy and allow others to live healthy. Thank you.
COVID-19 pledge by our principal sister Fatima Pavani, followed by staff and students.
Attention! Play.
Janandolan for COVID-19 Appropriate Behavior Pledge. Repeat after me. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Greetings to all the viewers from Atkinson High School, Gollapudi, Vijayawada. The coronavirus pandemic has been around for months now and it is unfortunately likely to stay for longer. As the months of October, November, December, January kicks in, people in India gear up for the festive season. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it is even more important to lay special emphasis on health and safety. Once again, we are back with a new concept of presentation regarding public health response to COVID-19, appropriate behavior, helping to combat COVID-19 amidst unlock of economy in the course of upcoming festive season.
You know, Shruti, I'm very excited to come to school after a long gap of 7 months.
Yeah, me too, but we need to be more careful.
Yeah, really. This deadly COVID has not left us, so we need to follow the safety precautions with our teachers of Atkinson High School, Gollapudi, Vijayawada insisting upon.
Hi Abdul, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What are you discussing about?
Nothing so special, just about the pandemic situation. By the way, how did you celebrate your feast?
Are you asking about Miladunabi which we had celebrated yesterday?
Yeah, that only. I'm very excited to know about the feast. Can you explain me?
With pleasure. Usually people wear new clothes and assemble at the mosque offer gifts and host social gathering. But in this pandemic situation, as it is not good, only one person from each family allowed to offer prayers at mosque, and we reduced our expenses and celebrated with our family.
You know friends, today I am going for shopping with my parents to buy new clothes and crackers for Diwali.
I think you are absent when teachers are instructed on lesser expenses keeping in mind pandemic which had affected our families and economic status.
What is economic status?
In simple, it is often measured as the combination of education, income and occupation.
Let us celebrate by lighting light lamps and reduce global warming also.
Shall we plan for a get-together for Kartika Masam and enjoy the utmost after a long time?
What? Did you forget about the COVID second wave?
During this pandemic situation, physical distancing should be maintained in the spread in increase of COVID-19. Avoiding group gatherings at devotional places and helps to save our budget. It is able to advise rather than gathering in groups.
You tell Jessie, how did you plan to celebrate this time Christmas?
Well, this time Christmas celebrations are going to be in a different way. As we are not allowed to gather as groups in churches, we are planning for a family prayer and celebrate it in a simple way.
Okay, now what is the next celebration to be celebrated?
Yeah, of course, January 1st is a celebration which is done by worldwide.
We celebrate this upcoming New Year using technology to wish our beloved ones.
This budget plan from Atkinson High School, Gollapudi, Vijayawada helps you save money by controlling your expenses and eliminating wasteful spending. Additionally, since budgeting requires you to plan your finances ahead of time, you can save money without worrying if you will have enough left over for your living expenses. It is not about how much money you make. It is all about how much you save it. Set a festival budget based on your current financial situation. Set daily budget. Make a budget, track your spending. Say no for borrowing cash. Avoid impulse shopping. Do not get carried away by season sale. Drop entertainment and restaurants. Control your money, create a future. Thank you.
By doing so, you are not only protecting your own health and the people you live with, but you are playing your part reducing the impact of the virus. Thank you.